Alright, in this video we're actually covering a few different things. We're covering some of the temporary markings, the full depth patching, and the PCCP joint repair. As you can see in the video here, I have some epoxy paint marks along the roadway. We use epoxy paint on actual roadway surfaces. It holds up better, fairly easy to remove from the surface. On the bridge decks though, we do put down this temporary tape. This temporary tape allows us to easily remove it without damaging the bridge deck, especially on these overlay surfaces. The temporary tape has little raised nubs on it that allows it to be able to be seen in the rain. Actually very reflective in the rain, which is kind of nice. Just like with any other temporary markings, these are 10-foot long lines with 30 feet in between, which is actually the same as permanent markings. Going along here, and then here we have a full depth patch that's going to be replaced. These full depth patch we mark out with green spray paint. You have to go 1 foot past that joint line that you see there to be able to take out the old dowel bars. And then we drill in new dowel bars to fill this back in with, and then put the joint line back in. Here you have orange paint marking delineating a PCCP joint repair. These are actually ground out and will be filled back in with the fast track concrete. Here we got a larger section, a couple different spots almost right next to each other that have to be repaired. The second one that you saw there will actually be done in phase 2B. This one will get done in this phase. The next phase we got to actually flop the walls around to be able to get stuff done. Here you have the RPMs that are in the road, the reflectors you see as you're driving along. They have been removed so we can go through and grind and profile this roadway. These will actually be cleaned up and filled back in with a fast track concrete. And then when we're done with the project, we'll put actual RPMs back in. This last video, I kind of screwed up. I marked a joint repair inside of a full depth, so they actually won't be doing that joint repair. As always, send in questions. I'll answer them as best I can. Be safe in our work zones, and we will see you soon.